Hey, good morning. How you doing? I just woke up and today's vlog is going to be about going to Boston. It is January the 27th, about 4:30 in the morning. We're going to record the whole thing to Boston. We're going to be ready in one, two, and three. And just like that, we're ready to go. You guys want to see outside? All right, let's look outside.
Tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors.
There are 10 exits on this plane, 6 doors, 3 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. Additional
Alright, so this is the new process of getting off the plane now with this social distancing stuff.
He did a little bit. This is a little difficult, but oh my god, I didn't even check.
Alright, getting off the plane right now. Just landed in Atlanta right now. And we just getting off the plane. It's the same process. There's really no social distancing or anything like that. It's the same thing. This is a new thing they're doing here in the chairs. See? That's what they're doing on the chairs. So I'm gonna put this little thing back. I have to take it off. Hey, so just getting off the plane wasn't bad at all. To me, I didn't see any difference. I just saw people get up and start walking out the same how it used to be before. I personally didn't see any difference. So, just so you know that. Aside from that, everything was good. It was a smooth flight, and that's about it. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. Just they want you to have your mask on, and that's about it. So I'm looking for this McDonald's. Looking for McDonald's because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Man, I should have gone the other way. I came through here already. But I thought it was this way. I thought it was that way, but it's not. It's not that way. So we'll find it. McDonald's, where you at? Where you at, McDonald's? I gotta find you. McDonald's, McDonald's, where are you? I gotta find you. Over there. See, guys? The McDonald's is that way. We have achieved our goal. McDonald's right here. Alright, so we're on the second flight to Boston, so stay tuned until we get there, okay?
Does if this means our service is interrupted.
For everyone's safety,
Once you enter the airport, thank you.
It's time to go. We landed. We're good. Safe. Everything all right. So I want to see if it's really as cold as I think it is. Maybe yes, maybe not. Who knows? But we're here in Boston right now. I gotta call my brother now. I gotta call my brother, let him know that I'm here. And wow, this is empty over here. This one is mine. Oh yeah, we are here in Boston, so we just woke up and well, guess what? It is snowing out there. Yes, it is snowing, and I cannot wait to go out there and walk around in the snow. Uh, Take a look at this. Okay, so today's our first day out here in Boston. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around and see what we find. As you can see, it is snowing, so it's a special day today. So let's hit the road. So, like I said, um, it is snowing, and I know you guys want to see. So, but first, let's just say that yeah, this weather is kind of different from Sacramento. You can see snow, snow. Anyways, we are going to explore a little bit, walk around. I don't know if you guys want to see me or you guys want to see where I'm going. I think I give you a little bit of both. So first, which way should we go? Let's go this way. And you know what's really interesting is I haven't experienced in a long time. I haven't seen snow, especially falling. So I think it's a special day for me because I haven't seen this in a long, long time. I used to live in New York a while ago, and this was like normal. This was normal, but now, since I moved to California, this is actually feels different and weird. We got some places over there where it actually snows, but not where I live. So, and it is kind of cold too. That's something. Let me give you a little bit of the front so you guys can see where I'm walking. I'm gonna have to adjust my jacket. Put this one on, and the other one. I'm gonna put both, because it is cold. So for you guys out there on the West Coast, I'm telling you, this is you don't want this. So I'm trying to figure out where my dad lives. I think he lives that way. I'm not too sure. I'm even gonna put this on because I don't want it to hit my face. I want to do this right here. Woo, it's cold. I think I think he lives that way. I think so. I'm just gonna walk this way. See? Give you uh, a little view. Yeah, I don't need that. I'm happy with no snow. Let's do a the world is yours little thing here. TW is yours. Wow, look at it. The world is yours. You don't see it, but it's there. I'm gonna get a little bit emotional here. If you haven't seen your dad or mom in a while, I suggest you go visit her or him, because you never know. You never know. So hey, this is no joke. I decided to go see my dad, but man, this ain't no joke. Look at it. Whew. Good for a picture right there. Let's go for that for the thumbnail, so that I can title that video. Whew. Absolutely don't need the snow or the cold. Like I was saying, I was talking about, if you haven't seen your dad in a while or your mom, go pay them a visit. I don't care where they live. Take a trip, go see them, surprise them. That's what I did with mine. Always using time, or excuses I should say, to not visit him. So I finally came over, and I'm actually on my way. I'm walking to his house. It's about a 30-minute walk. So, but in the snow, it's a little longer. You guys probably don't see this, but I have my little, like a navigation, tiny little screen on the video telling me where I'm supposed to go. Whew. And well, I know I wish I could tell you more things, but this is more like I'm feeling the environment, the cold weather, the snow, the cars, and I'm just really thinking about when I was younger and I used to live here, not Boston, but the Bronx. And I remember there was a time where there was a blizzard, and man, that was a lot of snow. They canceled the school, they canceled a bunch of stuff. So let me record more of the background so you guys can see, so you're not bored just looking at my face. So at least you guys can see. I think that's a great angle right there. Man, it's super tough to have businesses around here. So I guess I'm supposed to make a right turn pretty soon. I don't know, Blueville Highway. Supposed to make a turn. Hello, it is me again. We are right here on Dale Street, and this is approaching my final turn. Look at this thing. Oh, snow. Anyways. Hey, so I just want to let you know that I'm really tempted to fly my drone, but unfortunately, with the snow and everything, I feel like I shouldn't because it's I don't know the area too well, and I do not know, you know, my surroundings around here. So I would hate to lose my drone in this type of weather, and then I don't really have anybody to like help me go look for it. So I think I'm gonna take a calculated risk somewhere else and not around here.